Hi everyone. Let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you these German cars made by Schuco, which is a German company, and these are all made in the 1:72 scale, so they are even smaller than a 1:64 we are used to seeing in some videos I show once in a while. I'm really not a 1:72 collector, so these cars are sort of an exception in my collection. This is a 2000 car, the beginning of the year is 2000. I bought these cars, I think it was in 2003, 2004, I'm not quite sure of it. But one thing that's really impressive about these cars is the quality of the models. The wheels, the rims are very good reproductions of the original ones. The windows, was partially rolled down here in the driver's door and the passenger's door in the front, and the trim around the windows, the brake light, tail lights, and headlights, which are made of acrylic in different pieces, as well as the bottom of the car, which is very well detailed for a so tiny scale. This car is about a couple of inches long, so it's really small. And the rubber tires are perfect, the wheels, and everything here is really very well reproduced. I really like this line. The next one we have is this Mercedes-Benz CLK, which is also a very interesting car at the time. And we can see the realism of those taillights, the defogger, the brake light, the moonroof, and windshield, the grille, and all details like the rims. We can even see boats here in the wheels, so it's really a very well-made model car. It's really interesting, especially if you do some railroad modeling, but this is not really a railroad modeling scale. I think railroad modeling scale is a 1:87 or something like that. The next one is, I think it's 1953 Mercedes 300 SL Go Wing, which is an icon of the German cars at the time. This is very desired car as a collector's item nowadays, and this reproduction here in scale is made with such perfection. Really, I like to show that because it's really amazing. We can see even the trunk here with the belts around it. It's steering wheel, all quality we have in this car. It's really fantastic. And I really like this display here with an European scenario, and it really looks nice. This Mercedes E-Class station wagon is also a very cool car. We can see that the interior is very well detailed, even though the car doesn't have any opening doors, opening trunk, opening hood, anything. We can see that no details were actually missed. The rims remind of the CLK, the Mercedes CLK I've shown before, and really look good, as well as this front here, the badge right here, the air intake right here on top of the hood, and the windshield wipers, which were made with perfection on this car. They even made the mirrors here with very good detail. They didn't make those rough pieces, and sometimes you see they are a little bit too thick. The next one is this Mercedes 280 SL. Oops, stay. The stop here is made of plastic, but it really mocks the real one with perfection. The steering wheel is really perfect, just as well as interior itself. The leather seats we can see are made with a very high quality, as well as this rear end with those very well made taillights, license plate, and the bumper. The front end with those very nice headlights, and the wheels and tires, which are really perfect with Mercedes-Benz hubcaps with the logo in the center. Remembering this is a 1:72 scale, so those cars are really small. What I want to show in this video is scale really is not the thing that really does matter, as long as it's obeyed. The problem with scale is when a company is supposed to make the cars in a certain scale, but it doesn't do it. What happens to some of the companies I've shown before. This Mercedes 560 SL Cabrio, which is a very well-known car. This is a very well-made as well. As we can see this front here, I'm going to try to set the focus here. Oh, that's better. We can see that the front grille and the headlights, windshield, the interior, the top, that's made of plastic because this one would be the rag top that would exist in a real car. And the tail lights, that's really great. Even the mufflers here are made with perfection. I really like this car. This is I'm really an American car enthusiast, but I like Mercedes cars and BMW cars as well. Well, so I'd like to thank you for all views, for all comments, likes, and for all subscription. Please don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for news. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.